So today I am here. I got a PeachyBbies slime. So I got 5 different slimes. So here, I've never looked into it. I've only watched YouTube videos. So let's see how it is. Wow, it's adorable. Okay, so this is how it's packaged. I love it. It's really cute. And wow, this is really cool. So this is PeachyBbies. This is their logo. I like how they put it. This is Orange Cream Soft Sizzle. Wow, the way they packaged it is really cool. Next up is Candy Fluff. Wow, Candy Fluff. I love the way they made it. So this is classic Candy Fluff, and I just love how it's really, really creative. And then next up is the PeachyBbies Dreamscape Cloud Frost. So this is really, really cool. I love the different colors in it. It's really creative. And this last one, apparently, I think I only got 4 instead of 5. Moon Mist Ice Cream. Wow, this is really, really, really pretty. I love it. So those are the different ones. And then apparently it comes with a few extra things. This is the top of a, this is an eraser topper, which you can put on pencils. It's a lemon one. It's adorable. Then there's also over here the payment stuff and like what we got. Then they also have, oh wow, this is nice. They also have a small pencil, PeachyBbies pencil. And wow, apparently over here it says PeachyBbies.com activator pen. Okay, let's see. Let's look inside it. Okay, so this looks really cool. So apparently in here, join the fam. And then it says on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat where they are. PeachyBbies.com, their business cards, that's really cool. And then they, I think, have, those are stickers, I believe. Let's see. Then over here, they have, yep, these are 2 stickers of PeachyBbies. That's adorable. They're so cute. There's that. And then I believe there's an activator pen. Wow, this is really, really, really cool. It says activator pen, PeachyBbies.com. And when you open it, wow, it's like the squeezing ones. Okay, that's really, really cool. So that's how it is. And then we're going to end this part of the video right here, and we'll go on to the next slimes. Okay, so first we're going to be starting with the Orange Cream Soft Sizzle. It is so cool from the outside so far. I love the way they packaged it. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, so this is the Orange Cream Soft Sizzle. I have my, wow, it's really nice. Oh my god, it feels really cool. I do feel though that it's a little, it needs a little activator, but that's perfectly okay because I have it right here with me. But it feels really, really cool. I can smell the scent all the way from here. I think that's really, really cool. I really like that fact about it. The fact that, like, you can smell it. Honestly, though, I do think that the activator pen, it would be better if it could, like, have another way it could squeeze out. Because it's a little hard. But it's still really cool overall. I still like it. But anyways, let's close the activator pen and let's take the slime out. Wow, okay, this looks really, really cool so far. I think it's really, really nice. Oh my god, wow, this is literally cloud slime. I've never honestly had a cloud slime, so, oh my god, wow. Okay, this is really, really pretty. You can literally smell the scent of the orange sizzle all the way from here. And I just love how it is. I think it's really good. There wasn't much residue. It was just because in the beginning, well, because it got packaged from a, like, long way from far, so I just think that it got a little less activated in that time. But oh my god, wow guys, it's so pretty. And just the cloud, the drizzle, I love the drizzle. Wow guys, I've never ever had a cloud slime, so I don't know, I just think this is really, really pretty. Wow, look at that. It's really, really pretty, and I just like everything about it. So yeah, it's just really, really cool. And I also like how it has some sprinkles in the middle of it, and the way it sizzles down is just beautiful. So yeah. So guys, that orange sizzle, that orange cream soft sizzle, I think that's the name, that one was adorable. It was really, really nice. I loved it. But now to move on to Moon Mist ice creams. Just guys, before we start, I just want to say that I love the way that it's all purple and then it blends in right with green. And it's literally just like Moon Mist ice cream. It kind of reminds me of a sherbet. But anyways, let's open it and let's see how it is. Wow, guys, this is really, really pretty. It has some iridescent flakes on it. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my god, guys, and it really smells like an ice cream. Wow, you have got to see this. Oh my gosh, this is super duper pretty. I'm so glad we caught this on camera. Guys, this is super duper pretty. I don't know what to say about it. I love it. It smells super duper good. The thing I like about the slime is no matter how far you are, you can literally smell it. I bet if I was like, I don't know, 6 feet away, I could smell it. It smells so nice. It's so beautiful. Like guys, look at the texture and like just the way it is. I just love everything about the slime, especially the scent, honestly. If the scent wasn't there, honestly, I would not like it like half as much as I do right now. And just the way, it's almost a cloud slime, yet it's not a cloud one. It's just really pretty. Everything I like about it is, like, everything I like about slime is all mixed into one slime. And guys, just the iridescent flakes. I've always wanted them, and now here they are on the slime. They are super duper duper pretty, and wow, look at that. And it literally smells like ice cream. It smells like an ice cream sherbet. It is just amazing. I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. It's super duper cool. Well, anyways, moving on to the next one. Now, this one is the one I've been waiting for the most, other than obviously the classic candy fluff. This is Dreamscape Cloud Frost, and just the ombre, the beautiful blue, which goes a little bit into purple and then pink. It's just all so beautiful. So now let's open this. I don't know. I just can't wait. Oh my god, guys, this is super duper pretty from the top. I just love how they put a little iridescent glitter and then a few different charms. Oh my gosh, I just love everything about it already. Wow, oh my god, it's like clouds, mini clouds. I think that's what they were trying to do. Oh my god, this is literally like an icy cloud texture. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I can't believe I'm playing with this. Wow. Just wow. Guys, of all of the slimes that I played with, well, the other two, both of them were a cloud texture also, and this one is just so much more cloudy than the other ones. And I don't know, this one's for sure going to be my favorite. I don't know about the classic candy fluff. I don't know if that's going to probably turn to my favorite. This one is just beautiful. Oh my god, guys, it even smells like that beautiful taste, smell. I just love it. Wow. And it actually is like in that icy form. I just love it, guys. Okay, let's try the drizzle, the best part of cloud slime. Oh my god, wow, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That's super duper 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 pretty. Wow, guys, look at the top. It's like it formed a layer of, oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. This is so pretty. Let's try the drizzle again. Wow, this is so pretty. Look at this, guys. It's literally a drizzle. It is super duper pretty. I don't know what to say. It's literally a cloud. Look, it's literally a cloud. I don't know what to say. It just, and then it all looks like a cloud. But anyways, enough with this. Now to the best one. Now the one I have been waiting for, and probably you guys have also been. PeachyBbies Classic Candy Fluff. Now apparently it was said that it is a cotton candy fluff which smells just like cotton candy and is just beautiful. So from the outside, clearly it is just adorable. I love it. But let's see how it is on the top. Let's see how it looks. I'm excited. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. That is super duper pretty. I like how they have those tiny bits that kind of look like cotton candy. Guys, this is just, admire this view. Oh my god, it's really pretty. But now, we're not even close to getting into the slime. Okay, I'm gonna take out a bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Wow. Oh my god, this is so much like cloud slime. Honestly, guys, I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos on slime, especially cloud slime, and I've seen so many in which they just take out a little slime, and then they just like this, they curl it a little back in, and then they stuff it right back. And today, here I am doing it. I'm just, okay, this is just beautiful. Guys, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, now to mix them both together. This is so big. I love it, guys. It It reminds me so much of cake batter, honestly. And the funny thing, oh my gosh, wow. Well, I was saying that the funny thing is on their YouTube, or not on their YouTube channel, on their, on their YouTube channel also, they have a cake batter slime that is, I think, also a cloud slime, which is just really cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. We're just admiring this. Let's just admire this drizzle. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to say. It's so pretty. Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, well, guys, this is just something, I don't know, I would have never honestly, thought I would have, and it's just something really, really satisfying. And just the way they put in this cute container, it's just all adorable, and it fits just right. That's what I like so much about it. And just everything about the slime, honestly, is just the best. Like, look at it. When you stretch it, okay, so one sec, it's all flat when it's like, well, not right now, but like when you put it inside, it's all flat. The next second, if you stretch it, you see a bunch of cloud. Okay, this is just, oh my god, I just love it. Okay, guys, you have to see this, sorry. Oh my gosh, this is something that, I don't know, it's just... Okay, well, guys, I think I've had enough. I'm too satisfied. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you liked this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you guys have some cloud slime, or we'll get some soon. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. Bye!